What's up, bikers? I got a new piece of kit in for the T120, and I have a feeling if you have one of the new water-cooled twins, you're going to be very interested in taking a look at this. So I want to do a quick unboxing and talk about the product and why I got it. Let's get into that.
Tiny Triumph Shop.
Alright, coming all the way from California, from a company you should be familiar with if you like Triumphs, is a DCAT kit or an X-Cross pipe from TEC Bike Parts. Now, I say California because they're actually a UK-based company, but they distribute in the United States out of California. It is slightly windy, and these are going to go everywhere. Let me try to get this out gracefully. All right. I think that's all we got. Fantastic. Let me get this out of the wind. All right, packaged up in a nice Christmas green color. We've got our cross-link pipe right here. Now, there are several companies that make this particular product, and I like British Customs, for example, but I've opted for the one from TEC Bike Parts. They seem to know how to get quite a bit of performance out of the parallel twins with some of the products that they make. I've shopped with them for quite some time and have always been very impressed with the quality of their kit and the value proposition. The stuff is very competitively priced and it's very well made. So if you're familiar with the new water-cooled twins, you know that the headers coming out of the bikes actually have shrouds on them on the side. And those shrouds mask the fact that the headers actually run to a catalytic converter underneath the front frame of the bike. Now, that converter is massive and heavy, and it significantly restricts the airflow of the bike. So, in order to get much better sounding pipes and a much cooler running engine, you can install a cross-link pipe that bypasses the catalytic converter entirely, and that's exactly what this does. This cross pipe from TEC Bike Parts is really light. I couldn't even tell you what it weighs. It's like in the category of weighs so little it's hard to tell how much it actually weighs. And that's our first look at the TEC Bike Parts cross link pipe for water-cooled Triumphs.